They will absolutely, I mean, this is crazy. They will absolutely beg to be with you during the playing of this video. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high. Like a big, beautiful eagle, we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. Look, we're here to help you manifest the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness you depend on. We've helped people in 60 different countries, and we can help you too. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. That's lawofattractionsolutions.com. So, high flyers, your specific person will call you or text you or write you or knock on your door during the playing of this video. And how is it going to happen? It's going to happen through the power of manifestation and the law of attraction. You see, the problem is many of you want a specific person. You want to be with this specific person. You want to reunite your relationship if you've gone through a breakup, or you want to get together with this specific person. But you're in a state of wanting. And according to law of attraction, wanting attracts more wanting. So the more you want, the more you're going to end up wanting. The key is to get yourself out of this state of wanting and into the state of absolute certainty, into the state of knowingness. You know, getting your specific person to want you, to crave you, to need you, to really reach out to you isn't that difficult. As a matter of fact, it's easy. If you believe something is easy, it tends to become easy. If you believe that something is difficult, that it's a challenge, then that's what it becomes. What we believe, we manifest, we achieve. And so it's important for you to believe right now that manifesting your specific person to call you, text you, write you, knock on your door is easy. And it's going to happen right now. Not a week from now, not a month from now, not a year from now, right now. So let me ask you this question. What does it look like when your specific person, in your mind, when your specific person is calling you, texting you, knocking at your door, driving over to your house? What does that look like in your mind? Can you see him or her taking this action? Can you see it in your mind? What are they doing? It's important to know that, to see it clearly. What does it sound like, high flyers? You know, what is the sound of their voice? What is the sound first of the phone ringing? Or the fact that you're getting a text message or a knock on your door? What does it sound like in your mind? So you can see it, you can hear it, you can hear their voice. I've really missed you. I really wanted to catch up with you. I really wanted to see how you were doing. Whatever it is that they might say. It's important to hear the sound of their voice. The next is, what do they feel like? What are they feeling? Are they missing you? Are they hurting? Are they in emotional pain? Are they sorry for how they behaved? What do they feel like? And then next, what do you feel like? Are you excited to hear from them? Are you surprised? Are you shocked? Are you happy? Are you joyful? Are you relieved? What do you feel like? So it's important to keep in mind what you feel like, what they feel like, what you look like, what the whole situation looks like, what it sounds like, what it might even smell like. You know, put as many of your senses into this as possible. And then get yourself into that state of absolute certainty, of absolute knowingness. You're not trying anything, because trying indicates it might not work. I'll try it and see if it works. That's an admission of failure right from the beginning. We don't try, we do. Sounds a little bit like Yoda, doesn't it? We do, we believe, and we know. We know that our specific person is going to reach out to us right now, right this very moment. So, why is love flowing to you? Why is love now coming into your life? Because you're absolutely certain that it is. Because you know that you're worth it. Because you absolutely believe that you deserve it. You know, right this very moment, your specific person is reaching out to you. They're either texting you or calling you or writing you a letter or driving over to your house, but they are taking some kind of action right now. You know it. Say it to yourself right now. I know this to be true. So make a decision in your mind that what you see, what you feel, what you hear in your mind, through your imagination, through your visualization, is your reality, is the reality that you are creating, is the reality that is taking place this very moment. Okay, let's do this right now. Take a deep breath in through your nose for about 3 seconds. And slowly out through your mouth for about 6 or 7 seconds. You don't have to count, just and it's important that you're in a safe place, that you will not be disturbed, that you're not driving. And now, when you're ready, just simply relax your interior spirit and close your eyes. Close your eyes and relax your body, your mind, and your spirit. Continue to breathe deep, in through the nose and out through the mouth. You can see right now in your mind's eye that your specific person is reaching out to you, that they have wanted to be with you. Maybe they even miss you. You can feel it. You can hear them saying, I've been counting down the days and seconds in my mind until I see you again. They can't wait to see you. You know this to be true. You believe this is your reality. Every moment apart makes me realize how much you mean to me. They are aware now, and you're feeling their awareness of missing you. You can almost feel them begging to be near you, to be close to you. You feel the energy. Even if you're across the world, you can smell their cologne or their perfume, their unique odor. You're the first thing I think of when I wake up, and the last thing I think of before I fall asleep. I can't stop thinking about you. You can hear them saying that. You can read it in the text. You can feel it in your heart. You know it to be true. I miss your laughter. I miss looking into your eyes. I miss your smile. You are the best thing in the world to me. No one else can fill the space you've left in my heart. I don't know, I've made mistakes. Maybe I've done things the wrong way. But I'm ready to make things right. And if I've hurt you in any way, I'm deeply, deeply sorry. I keep replaying all the thoughts of you in my mind, morning, noon, and night. I will do anything, I mean anything, to hold you in my arms. When can I see you? When can we be together? Being apart has made me realize how deeply, deeply I love you. I miss your voice. It's like music to my soul. And you see them hurting. You feel their love for you. You feel how much they care about you and desire you and want to be near you. I never knew I could miss someone this much until I met you. The distance, it's hard, but loving you makes it all worth it. And I want nothing more than for us to be together in a deep, loving, permanent, committed relationship. You're the best part of my day, even if we're miles away. Even if we're hours away, you're the best part of my day. I don't just miss you. I miss us. And I'll do anything, I'll become anyone to have that back. They're reaching out to you. Your specific person is reaching out to you right now. Your specific person is texting you. Turn off the video, answer the phone, answer the door. Don't be surprised. This is the law of attraction. Believe it and know it. And if you need to repeat this again so that you can believe it even stronger, then do that. Peace and love.